Start the car. Switch on the air conditioning. Set the temperature to the lowest setting and the fan speed to maximum. Pop the hood. Shake the product before use. Pull back the needle on the hose. Screw the can onto the hose. Locate the low pressure port. It looks like this. Connect the kit to the port. Start the charging process by screwing in the nozzle. Stop the charging process within the green zone. Well done! Explore our range online.